welcome to my soap studio. So I know I haven't been posting videos, and that's because we can't really travel right now. So I thought I would bring you along on like a day in my life kind of video instead. So my name is Valerie and I am the founder of Ready to Glow, and I make soaps. So today is gonna be like moderately busy. I'm gonna be restocking some soaps, and then I'm gonna do some wedding favors as well. We had a recent order for customized wedding favors, so that's gonna be really fun. And in the afternoon I'm going to be restocking one of my stockists. So I actually have everything packed, all ready to go here. So I've got soaps and some shampoos and some other stuff, and I'll be bringing it down to my stockist later. So I've got my oils measured out, and my lye water is cooling down over here. Then I'm gonna be measuring the rest of the ingredients before I start making soap. Okay, so now I've got everything measured out and I'm well protected. Got long sleeves, gloves, and now I'm gonna mix the lye into the oils. First soap down and one more to go. I'm gonna be doing the wedding favors now, so I won't be showing it to you right now because it's still a surprise on how it looks. So it will be in a future vlog. And of course, nobody likes the best part of soap making, which is washing all these dishes. So what I like to do is wipe everything down with some paper towels. These are made from bamboo, so they're not like just regular paper. They're like more eco-friendly. We wipe down all the dishes so that it's easier to wash later on. And there's still a lot of soap stuck inside, if you can see underneath. So what I do is I get some water, just normal water, and then just stick blend it to get all the gunk out. This is really a great cleaning hack. So I am done with soap making. I have cleaned up my table, washed all the dishes, and I'm hungry. I'm gonna go eat lunch right now. So I just had my lunch. It was really good. I really like going to that Western stall. It's like a fusion kind of Western stall. I eat that like almost every day. So I'm not gonna make any more soap now. I'm just gonna do a little bit of admin, just planning out my week. And then in the afternoon, before I go home, I'm going to drop off my products at my stockist. So it's like raining. I'm gonna go down to my stockist to drop off all of these goodies. Hi. Good morning. It's the next day and I'm just getting ready to go to my studio. Just got a few things to pack and of course wait for my husband, who is dropping me off today. So because my studio is so small, I still have a lot of packaging material that was donated, collected, that I keep at home. All this bubble wrap, we try to reuse everything that we have, even poly mailers as well. We will actually reuse these, and I have a few supplies that I get delivered to my house because I'm not at the studio all the time, so I do have to bring all of this over. Oh, hubby's gonna help me with that today. So the two cats have been fed. They're very happy now. Yeah, you happy? Yeah, they are. They're just gonna laze the day away. Yeah. Breakfast. Ooh, look at that egg. Yes. Yummy. Good morning. We've just had breakfast and now I'm in my studio. I just unpacked all of my supplies so that everything's neat and tidy. Right now I am just updating my website, replying to your IG DMs and questions about our sale and products. We just launched our re-opening sale today because we did take a break all of January to kind of rest and restock our products. So we're having a sale this weekend, and yeah, we've got a few bookings for workshops, for soap load, and I'm also doing a little bit of admin to prepare for our workshop tomorrow. So tomorrow we're opening our studio. We're launching our cold process soap making workshops. So that's going to be really fun. So I've got to prepare a little bit for that, as well as, text our participants some instructions, like a little reminder. And I'm really excited to see them tomorrow. So I'm just prepping some of the orders that just came in. It is very messy. This is like my usual kind of style. I really want to make it like neat and everything, but yeah, it always ends up in a mess, unfortunately. So this is our Valentine's Day special. It has little biodegradable glitter on our Bed of Roses soap. I've packed some of the orders there. Some other orders are going to be shipped out later because they're for Valentine's Day. And then now I'm going to stamp my soaps. I like to arrange my soaps on my soap rack here, and I'll try to give like some space in between them so that they can cure. Try not to let them touch, but yeah, I don't really have a lot of space actually. I do need to keep some of them, like these are cured already, but I wanted to keep them out so that people can take photos of tomorrow when they come for the workshop. But yeah, so I let them cure for about 4 to 6 weeks. So I'm also gonna cut these up, which I made yesterday. It's a bit wet because it got really hot. I think it gelled probably. Yeah. And the flowers are still holding up pretty well. The calendula especially is very yellow, whereas the purple flowers did get a bit too hot, so I'll have to watch out for that next time. I'm gonna unmold it. I'm just gonna pull from the sides, then pop it right up. Yeah, looks beautiful. Look at it. It's lovely. I love it. So I am next to the window, like my little makeshift photography setup right here with the natural light. It's kind of cloudy right now, but I really wanted to take some photos because I need more for my social media. So So the last things to do is to set up for the workshop tomorrow. So we're gonna have a melt and pour soap class in the morning, and then in the afternoon we're having a cold process soap class. I am super exhausted. I just cleaned up the whole studio. By the way, my husband is here because he's working from home, so he can technically work anywhere, and that's why he's with me today. Yeah, he keeps me company in my little studio here. So yeah, today has been a really tiring day. I didn't do everything that I wanted to do. I wanted to make a batch of soap actually, but I didn't have time. But it's okay. So tomorrow it's gonna be our re-glow opening, and thank you so much for supporting our re-glow opening sale. We are actually fully booked for Valentine's Day for the melt and pour soap workshop, so that's really awesome. Yeah, I'm really excited for tomorrow to get to see our participants for the workshops. And yeah, now we're gonna go have dinner. Good morning from Ready to Glow's Glowy Studio. Today is our reopening day, and I've set up already yesterday, and now we're just waiting for our participants to come. I'm so excited to see you guys. We had lots of fun. These two young ladies made soap for their mom's birthday. Super cute. It kind of turned out into more like a Chinese New Year soap class rather than a Valentine's Day, but it was still really fun. I've just finished washing up, and then we have all this set up for the cold process class. So for the cold process class, you definitely need your safety gear. We got your goggles, gloves, and we still have all these ingredients. I need to take out a few more ingredients. We're ready to go. Hello! So we're here at our first cold process soap making class. Yeah. So I'm done with my workshops. It was super fun. I had so much fun. It was our first ever cold process soap workshop, and there were two lovely ladies who came in, and we had such a good time making soaps. They got to choose their essential oils, their colorants, and even some botanicals on top of their soaps, and I can't wait for them to come back to collect it next week. So right now I'm just packing a few orders that just came in. Thank you so much for supporting us again. So I'm just packing a few soap orders that came in, and we're gonna be using these recycled boxes as well. Just packing the soaps in these little food protector things. I'm done. I just finished packing all the orders. I'm just gonna clean up my studio. I did clean already. Just gotta like vacuum and mop the floor over here to keep this place really nice, spick and span, and then I can finally go home. Yay! It's been a really great day. I'm really happy. I'm so happy to be back open again. Yay! So thank you so much for joining me in today's vlog, and I'll see you in the next one.